Senator Dr. Rasha Kelej.
Domilan. Great to be with you here, Your Excellency, the President of Botswana. I'm really honored to have you today and meet you for the first time. Your Excellency, the First Lady of Botswana, Mrs. Neo Masisi, thank you very much for the generosity and the hospitality. But more than this, thank you for your dedication and leadership and the hard work, which never stopped even during Corona. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of the ministers of health, education, and information and communication, which you set up the partnership and the introduction with them, so we can, as Merck Foundation, achieve our vision, which is already aligned with your vision and His Excellency vision, to make sure that the healthcare system in the public sector is accessible, equitable, and high quality, and everyone can have access to equitable and quality healthcare solutions in Botswana. So with 45 scholarships we provided for doctors in many critical and underserved specialties, I think this was a great achievement and milestone that we should celebrate today, along with the launch of our program and partnership. With the honor for you to be our ambassador, the Merck Foundation More Than a Mother Ambassador, to empower women, to break the stigma of infertility, to support girls' education, and also to transform patient care landscape in Botswana and the rest of Africa. Because as you know, the First Lady of Botswana is also a member of a great and big platform of other First Ladies of Africa, our sisters, and we all work together annually to work on a strategy, not only on Botswana or in each country, but also across the African continent, how to lead Africa to a better future. Also educating Linda, education, girls' education, which is very close to your heart, because you always told me that girls' education is the only strategy for women empowerment. When a girl is educated, she's empowered, she's a stronger woman. We're gonna support few girls that are very high performance but underprivileged, so they can continue their education for the next 5 years. We also had, of course, great initiative started by Her Excellency, and I remember we cycled together online during Corona. So your cycling tour to stop GBV, gender-based violence. This was very inspiring. Today, it's very special for Merck Foundation because we are the first time in Botswana. We came all the way, I came all the way from Dubai, Professor Frank came all the way from Germany to be with you, to launch for the first time our partnership, which is running already, but we want to launch it physically in Botswana for the first time. So thank you very much for having us. And we are very grateful, we are very happy with the follow-up, and we know these programs will be always success and from strength to strength with your dedication and support. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely pleased that we have two distinguished guests attending our meeting today. His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Botswana, and our long-term partner, Her Excellency Mrs. Neo Jane Masisi, the First Lady of the Republic of Botswana and Ambassador of Merck Foundation More Than a Mother. Today we will officially launch the different Merck Foundation programs in the country. And by this we will underscore our commitment towards building healthcare and media capacity, patient care landscape, transformation, ending GBV, breaking infertility stigma, and supporting girls' education in Botswana. Our close partnership with the First Lady of Botswana began already in 2018 and over the years we have achieved many important milestones. I'm proud to share with you that Merck Foundation has since then provided 45 scholarships of 1-year online PG diploma and 2-year master's degrees for local doctors from Botswana. We strongly believe that empowering people will lead to a better future, and also we believe that good healthcare can transform the lives of individuals and families across developing countries. Today, we are also meeting and recognizing the winners of the Merck Foundation Media, Film and Song Awards from 2020 to 2024. Well done. Happy to meet you all. I'm very proud of you all that you did it. So let us all work together to transform the patient care landscape and raise community awareness about sensitive and critical health and social issues in Botswana and across other African countries. I'm also very happy to launch our Educating Linda program in close partnership with Botswana's First Lady to support girls' education through providing scholarships and bicycles for 40 schoolgirls to cover their transport and other educational expenses.
Today, we stand on a threshold. As a nation, we have yearned for Botswana to live long and healthy lives, which on its own is a prerequisite for development. The total transformation of the patient care landscape is beginning to appear on the horizon, thanks to the capacity building programs provided by partners such as the Merck Foundation, as we heard from the chairman. True to the aim of improving health and well-being of people across the African continent through science and technology, the Merck Foundation is scaling new heights in the rollout of their cooperation framework and program. Today, we have a splendid opportunity to witness the unfolding of this transformative journey. Our medical personnel have benefited from 46, I'm told, scholarships provided by Merck Foundation, working in collaboration with the First Lady of the Republic of Botswana. There's the ceremonies. I'm happy to learn that Merck Foundation is also increasing opportunities for capacity development that specifically targets the girl child, which is often faced with more disadvantages than her male peers, including cases of dropout and therefore more deserving of motivation and inspiration to be part of that graduation process. Through this initiative that fosters education of the girl child, we should be able to dispel the stereotypes that often compel young girls and women to be twice as good or as qualified for them to earn their rightful place in society or make it into the echelons of power and leadership.
It is an honor and privilege for me to join you this morning at the official launch of the Merck Foundation Partnership Programs that we started in 2018, when I was appointed as the ambassador of Merck Foundation more than a mother. I'm very delighted to host our long-term partners, Professor Frank and my dear sister, Senator Dr. Rasha, Chairman and CEO of Merck Foundation. And I welcome you and your esteemed team to my beautiful country, Botswana. Today, we continue to celebrate an important milestone of the great success of our joint programs as we also share the impact of our partnership journey that we have with Merck Foundation. A partnership to build healthcare capacity, transform patient care, break infertility stigma, end gender-based violence, and support girl education in our country since 2018. All these contributing to the attainment of Sustainable Development Goals and our own Vision 2036, where in Botswana we aspire for prosperity for all. I'm happy that I've met and acknowledged the future healthcare experts of Botswana and the winners of Merck Foundation Media Awards. The Media Awards recipients are our health and social community champions in raising awareness about many critical health and social issues, such as breaking infertility stigma, supporting girl education, promoting healthy lifestyles, diabetes, and hypertension awareness, amongst others. I'm extremely proud of each one of you, the scholarships alumni and the recipients of the awards. Keep up these fine achievements as you inspire other young Botswana. The Merck Foundation More Than a Mother campaign is a unique and historic campaign that aims to empower infertile and childless women through access to information, education, and change of mindset, while raising awareness about various social and health issues. During the COVID-19 pandemic, with heightened cases of domestic violence, a GBV campaign was undertaken. As part of the national GBV campaign geared at prevention, Merck Foundation donated 20 sewing machines. These machines were donated to women groups around the country to ensure they generate income for upliftment of their livelihoods. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also working closely with Merck Foundation to launch Education Linda program to inspire girls and sensitize communities about the importance of girl education. This forms part of our strategic plan, and as I strongly believe that education is crucial in the development of any nation, particularly educating a girl child.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today not merely to celebrate a truly big-hearted initiative, but also to mark a profound commitment to nurturing the future of healthcare across our nation, Botswana, through benevolence and foresight of the Merck Foundation's health scholarship initiatives. I am delighted to state that the Merck Foundation Health and Education Scholarships represent a vital investment in our medical professionals and young scholars.
May I now ask, ladies and gentlemen, that you join me as I invite Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Botswana, Meneo Jane Masisi, to come and receive her official recognition as Ambassador of Merck Foundation More Than a Mother.
Filled with beauty, filled with pride, let every woman feel alive. You are greater than a nation, you are a woman.
You're more than a mother, superwoman, perfect just the way you are. You're a woman. You're more than a mother, superwoman, perfect just the way you are. You're a woman. You are a leader. Don't need to be a mom to deliver. You were an achiever. You are a woman. God made you for a reason. So don't you ever give up on yourself. Superwoman, perfect just the way you are. You're a woman. You're more than a mother. Superwoman, perfect just the way you are. You're a woman.
knowledge I gained through my studies, I have reduced the need to refer patients to referral hospital, as I can manage most of these cases in my district.
Apart from the acquired knowledge, the Merck Foundation has significantly boosted my confidence to pursue a field of great importance to me. I am currently studying for a master's in medicine, obstetrics and gynecology at the University of Botswana.
Currently, there are 3 endocrinologists in the government sector and 5 endocrinologists in the private sector. So thanks to Merck Foundation, I'm amongst the 3 in the government sector.
The sponsorship that I received from the Merck Foundation set a tone for me, where currently I have now leading a clinical team in the district in Tlokwe. And through that team, we have been able to strengthen the prevention, the treatment, and the diagnostics of respiratory conditions. And through that team, we have been able to now try and actually strengthen and build capacity just outside that one district, but also to extend it into other districts.
In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to Merck Foundation for acting as a springboard to my career development and for positively impacting the communities we serve. Thank you.